Alright guys, so we've just arrived at our second pit stop. I kind of love it actually because it is very bright. Like I said, there's what, how many charging stations? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 16 charging stations all behind me, as you can see, or in front of me as well. 80% of them are 175 kilowatts and the last two are 50 kilowatts. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with this. There's only 3 cars charging. The last car, there are people sleeping in it with bags over their heads. So if I can, it's hard to see, if you look carefully, they've got brown paper bags over their head while asleep. It is bright. But yes, there's my Mr. sleeping. And it's quite dark, but the kids are sleeping also. So I think I will be having a quick nap. Like I said, we only had probably about 30 miles left in the tank, so I was quite glad to come here and see it empty. But yes, I'm gonna have a little bit of a sleep for around about 45 minutes. But yeah, well guys, I'll catch you in a bit. And like I said, if it's like this all the way, we're laughing. But this is probably one of the best stations I've ever been in, so hopefully they bring this to the United Kingdom soon and globally. So catch you in a bit. Bye for now.